Hello dear students, we are going to see the third type of the preparation of salt, that is iron 2 sulfate, that is your ferrous sulfate or zinc sulfate. Now children, what type of method we are going to use here is displacement. How displacement children? You can see we will treat the active metal with H2SO4. So hydrogen from the acid will be displaced by the metal. Hence the name of the method is displacement. Now what will be displaced here is hydrogen gas, as you can see in the equation. So what we will do, let us see the preparation. In the first step, we will take a beaker, as you can see in the diagram. In the beaker you will add iron metal or zinc metal to the sulfuric acid solution. Okay, then slightly heat until all the metal is dissolved. Then when we have already reacted this zinc or iron with H2SO4, the reaction has already occurred in the first step. In the beaker itself, the reaction has occurred. In the second step, what we will do here is, in the second step, the solution is which is obtained here is to be filtered. Now why filtered? Sometimes it may happen that due to impurity present in the metal, that is iron or zinc, it may not properly react. So we don't want that residual material to be present. So we will remove that. Okay, in the third step, now what we are going to do is, we are going to evaporate the solution to the point till the time the volume is reduced. That means we want a concentrated solution. So hot saturated solution of iron 2 sulfate or zinc sulfate is obtained on evaporation. Now after evaporation, what we are going to do here is, we are going to cool the saturated solution. On cooling, the crystals of ferrous sulfate .7H2O or zinc sulfate .7H2O will be prepared. That means it is ferrous sulfate heptahydrate and zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Hepta, why? Because it is 7 molecules of water. Then we will filter and dry the crystals. This is how the pure crystals can be obtained. Are you getting? I hope you are able to understand. Thank you.